Hello everyone, I'm here today to go over how to set up the time and date on a Mac computer for the new 4K Ultra Spy Pen. So first things first, we're going to go online to our website, spycenter.com, go to our body cameras and pull up the pen. Scroll all the way down to our user guides and we're going to open up the quick start guide. The reason why is because we have the full format here for you to be able to just copy and paste in as we do this process. So you'll notice here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this information, and then we're going to go ahead and open up our text edit program. Let's go ahead and create a new document, and we're going to paste it in. So we do need to make sure it's formatted properly, so you'll notice here I'm just fixing how it's oriented. We do want to make sure we get rid of the little bullet points as well. That way it's in just a proper formatting when we actually do update the date and time here in just a moment. So once we fix that, we'll notice here we have our date and time. So we're going to go ahead and get that updated. So it'll go year, month, day, hour, minutes, seconds. So you notice I'm just updating that here. Once that's complete, we'll go ahead and save it and do what we need to do. So at the top, we'll hit File and then Save. We do want to save it as Setting. So make sure you name it as Setting, and of course make sure we're saving it to the recorder. Go ahead and hit Save, and we'll close all this down, and we're going to go ahead and eject it from the computer and make a couple recordings just to see if it did take that time and date. So once we did that, we went ahead and plugged it back in here. We're going to open it up and see what we got. So we'll go to our video folder, and there's the recordings, and it did take the proper date and time, so we should be good to go there. Real quickly, I do just show you how to delete the information off of it. And of course, if you did appreciate the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.